Wouldn't it be great waking up to the smell of your favorite coffee perfectly prepared by a barista? That's now possible with the simple tap of your phone. This is Arist, the most intelligent coffee maker. It simulates everything your favorite barista does to make you a perfect cup of coffee every time. All the drinks from premium coffee houses and even signature drinks by award-winning baristas from the world over. Arist can make it all. That's because its innovative brewing system, enhanced with a precision flat burr grinder, built-in milk frother, and dual syrup dispenser, can accurately simulate the skills of a professional barista. So you can explore coffees from around the world in the comfort of your own home. For the ultimate convenience, Arist is equipped with cup recognition technology. Simply place your favorite cup onto the drip tray and it will automatically brew your favorite coffee, even without your phone. The Arist app features a user-friendly interface where you can purchase a wide variety of coffee beans from around the world. Download coffee recipes by renowned baristas for the specialty beans you love, or for the beans available at your local supermarket. You can fine-tune the recipes with a simple swipe and enjoy your coffee just the way you like it. Brewing the perfect cup of coffee requires a lot of experience, practice, and testing. The brewing process is so intricate that each step needs to be performed consistently and accurately to extract the best flavors every time. After years of research and development, our dedicated hard work and technological breakthroughs have set a new industry standard. Arist, the perfect coffee solution, is here.
Beer is pretty awesome. Introducing WayTap. WayTap has been developed to deliver that fresh from the tap experience no matter where you are. Whether you're at the barbecue, dinner party, sporting event, or camping trip, or wherever you enjoy beer, WayTap delivers the best possible beer drinking experience. With our patented Fizzics technology, when you pull the tap handle forward, the beer is poured under pressure to maintain the carbonation in the body of the beer. And when you push the handle backwards, the beer passes through our sonic oscillator, which creates an ideal density foam that provides the rich, smooth, full body texture of an authentic draft beer. We don't use any gas, chemicals, or additive. Just thoughtful science and a passion for making beer taste the way the brewmasters intended.
But not with Cuvee, because Cuvee has a super smart bottling and dispensing system that keeps oxygen from touching your wine. This is what you order, and this is how you pour it. The screen tells you what you're drinking, tells you how much there is left to drink, shows you the story of the wine, lets you rate the wine, and even order more.
Hey guys, what are we drinking?
Well, I was gonna open a red.
And I've been craving a Chardonnay.
Oh, see, now that's a problem. What are you gonna do, open 2 bottles?
Oh, I'll have red. It's fine. No, it's fine.
No. With Cuvee, you can have that Chardonnay you're craving. Knock yourself out. Or both. Make it a party.
We have this one friend who loves his rosé.
I love rosé.
The rest of us, not so much.
With Cuvee, you can choose between hundreds of varietals, styles, and vineyards. And order from the Cuvee online store. Or even from the bottle. This means you can keep more wines around and not worry about wastage. Oxygen never gets into this bottle, so every glass you pour will taste amazing for up to 30 days. Drink what you want. Always fresh. One glass at a time.
iSmart Alarm has been the leader in DIY smart home security for 4 years, with exceptional control, visibility, and protection. There are a lot of cameras on the market, but their limited visibility can compromise your security.
With motion tracking technology, this camera identifies, tracks, and records any event that takes place in your home, preventing burglaries and allowing you the convenience of being able to identify emergencies in real time. Enjoy the peace of mind in knowing that your home is safe and your family is protected.
You can target specific areas of your home and prevent false alarms with custom activity zones in the app. Sound recognition software identifies the sound of smoke and carbon monoxide sirens in your home, and you'll receive immediate notifications in an emergency. With an industry-leading 4-megapixel image sensor, the iCamera Keep Pro has 1080p HD resolution, time-lapse, free cloud video recording, and much more. The iCamera Keep Pro is fast, responsive, and focused. Everything your smart home security should be.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.